Maths Quiz. How the tool works. Follow this tutorial to learn how to use the tool. Settings. Select an area of mathematics, use filters, or search for a specific term. Insert into mozaBook. Export exercises from the tool to the test editor and save the current state of the tool. Let's find out how to use the Maths Quiz tool. Select from 4 areas of mathematics for the exercises. If you want to choose only one area, click on the name and the remaining areas will be deselected. Click on this icon to deselect or select all areas. Filter the exercises by school year. Search for a specific term to display exercises that are related to it. If you are using an interactive board, click here to display the virtual keyboard and enter a word in the search field. Set the level of difficulty here. The number of exercises depends on the current settings. Click on the Start button to start the quiz. Decide if the mathematical statement is true or false. The squares below the card indicate whether your answers are right or wrong. Click on the right or left edge of the card to see the next exercise or the previous one. Click here or on the top or bottom center of the card to hide the exercise. Go back to Settings. Export exercises to the test editor. Insert the current tool content into your exercise book. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.